Tractor. There you go. Come on. No, 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 no. Tractor. No, 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 no. Come here. Scared the pee out of her. No. Come here, Tractor. Tractor! She usually doesn't do this. He doesn't. But he's been pinned up for a couple of days. Pinned up for a lot of days. Usually, they just get along just fine. But I want you to see the worst of the worst and the best of the best. Now, these two dogs right here, the Pyrenees, back there, and Tractor don't get along. And it's usually the Pyrenees. Tractor, you stay here. It's usually the Pyrenees' problem. Okay. Those are all our rams. We've got some rams for sale if you're interested. Let's see. This is usually how Tractor acts. He doesn't chase them usually. There's more females, but they didn't cooperate today. They, only Blackie. Come here, Blackie. Come here. Come here, Blackie. Let's see. Blackie's a nice tame one. She's been in a cockaburs, though. Oh, Tractor? No! She's chasing him, her. He's chasing her. Come here, Tractor.
That's what he does a little bit.
Yeah. Nope. Now stop him. Make him
stop. Tractor. Stop. Stop.
Stop it. Come
Stop.
here. Stop.
Go play a little bit.
Go play. Go play like you normally do. Yeah, I can't get far enough away from him to see if he'll come over there by you so I can video him.
I'll see how he interacts with me.
They're doing pretty good right now, the two, but you might see a growling fit here in a minute. There's the rams again. Now she's growling at Tractor a little bit. See, it's her instigated. She doesn't want Tractor around her males. Come here, Blackie. Tractor, don't chase her. Like I said, there. It's more. That's the way it's more like normal. Come here. Good job. Good job.
What's up, boy? Huh?
See, Tractor came out first. Blackie tricked you. Tractor, knock it off. Well, he's not knocking it off right now. Tractor, stop. He listens pretty good. He's still got some puppy in him. And he's, like I said, he's been in a pen away from everybody for 12 days maybe. Because we had to keep him pinned up for 10. And then we haven't been able to get this done.
You just got that big old slobbery mouth. You like to wrestle too. Come on, wrestle.
So there's a 4-minute video. I hope I'm not boring you too much.